Hello students, in this presentation we will cover the topics binary to decimal conversion, octal to decimal conversion, hexadecimal to decimal conversions from subtopic number system conversions from chapter 1 number system and codes, subject digital techniques 22320. We will start with binary to decimal conversion. So the given number will be binary. You are supposed to find its equivalent decimal number. So now here the technique to convert binary to decimal is as shown here. Initially the given binary number here is 1101. So what you have to do is you are supposed to write the given binary number 1101 as shown in the this table with blue color, and above that you are going to write its weight. So weight here, since it is from binary number system whose base number is 2, so you are going to write the weight as shown here. The LSB bit should have the weight as 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. So weights you are going to write above, and the binary number you are going to write it below. Then the step 2 is you are going to multiply the binary number with its corresponding weight. So here is, so MSB bit is 1 here, so check out here I have written here 1 into 2 raised to 3. So here the one binary bit, its weight is 2 raised to 3. You are going to multiply with it 1 into 2 raised to 3, and then before multiplying the next number with its weight you are going to add it. So 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus the next number is 1 and its binary weight is 2 raised to 2. So 1 into 2 raised to 2 put inside the brackets, then plus again the next number is 0, its weight is 2 raised to 1, multiply 0 into 2 raised to 1 bracket close, plus the next number 1 into 2 raised to 0 bracket closed. You are going to solve it. So 1 into 2 raised to 3 is 8, plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 is 4, 0 into anything is always 0, plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Anything raised to 0 is always 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and you get the final answer as 13. So the binary number 1101, its decimal number is 13. Here I have made a mistake while writing the number. It is 1101. Here 2 zeros are seen, but it is 1101. So the decimal number you got is 13 of binary number 1101. So if you understand here, the given binary number is having only integer part. There is no fractional part. That is no binary point there. So after binary point, no number, no binary point. So it is perfectly an integer part. So if integer part is there, then you have to write the weights as shown here. But if the binary number consists of integer and a fractional part, we are going to see what are the rules in the next slide. Okay, check here now. The second example of binary is 01100.1101. So here binary point exists. It is having an integer part. Integer is 01100 and fractional part is 1101. So if the integer part is there and fractional part is there, the rule is like you have to write the binary number, and above that you are going to write its weight. Now you have to check out here where there is a point. So for integer, you're going to start with 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. But for fractional part, that after point, you're going to write with the weights 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 4. So you have to remember this. For integer part, you are going to write 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, and so on. And for fractional part, you are going to write as 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 4, and so on, as written in the table. Just check out here. Then again the next rule is same. You are going to multiply each digit binary bit with its corresponding weight. So yeah, here we'll start with the MSB bit. So 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Then you are going to put the binary point as shown as it is there, and then again you will start with the fractional part there only. So here again you are going to multiply the binary bit with its weight. So 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. When you will solve this, you will get 0 into 2 raised to 4 as 0, 1 into 2 raised to 3 as 8, 1 into 2 raised to 4 as 4, 2 raised to 2 as 4, 0 into 2 raised to 1 as 0, and 0 into 2 raised to 0 as 0. Then point as it is. And here the next step here I have done is 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 I have written as 1 upon 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 I have written as 1 upon 2 square plus 0 into anything is always 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4 I have written as 1 divided by 2 raised to 4. You have to solve only this fractional part on the calculator, and when you will solve it on the calculator, this fractional part only, you will get 0 point some answer, 0 point. So after point, whatever is the digit, you have to copy it here. So 8 plus 4 is 12, so 12 point as it is, and then when you will solve this, you will get 8125. So the final final decimal number of binary digit as shown is 12.8125. Now in this, so the answer we got is 12.8125. Now this is an assignment for you all, binary to decimal conversion. This 5 binary to decimal conversion is to be done, and then send it to me.